In this video, we are going to learn how to make chargeable emergency light for home. You can see here we made one emergency light which we can start by pressing this switch and you can stop by pressing this switch. And if you want to charge your battery, so you can charge easily. First, we connect one plug for charging, and when your battery in charging condition, so you can see here we connect one LED light which indicate your battery is in charging condition. Okay, so when your battery is charged, this indicator will blink. When your charging is stop, so indicator will stop. So indicator is just connect for charging indication. Okay, so let's start video and first see which component is required for this rechargeable emergency light. So we connect one battery. You can see here you can connect any company battery. So we connect one 6Ah battery for this rechargeable emergency light. We connect one transformer. Transformer rating is 909 transformer, which is 1 ampere. Okay, if you want to run 2, 3 and a heavy load, so you can connect 12 transformer, which will be 3 ampere transformer. We just want to run only one single light, so we connect a 1 ampere transformer. Okay, so this is transformer input terminal in which we need to provide supply to 20 volt input supply, and this is step down transformer where we can connect supply in red wire in 9 volt AC, in black wire 0 volt supply, and this red wire we will get 9 volt supply. Okay, so this is step down transformer 909, and we connect one bulb holder which is for DC bulb. Okay, you can run DC load with this emergency light. Okay, and this switch is connected for start and stopping DC bulb. Okay, now see for control wiring which component is required. For control wiring we need 2 diode. Okay, we connect 4007 model 2 diode for making half wave rectifier. So we connect 4007 model 2 diode and one LED indicator for showing input power supply is connecting or not. Okay, when your battery will charge by input power supply, so this LED indicator will blink. So for voltage drop we connect one resistor here. You can see here resistor and connect an LED indicator positive terminal. Okay, for voltage drop. Now let's start control wiring. First, we need to make half wave rectifier, so we connected 2 diode. Okay, 2 diode cathode terminal. You can see here white portion is cathode terminal, so we common both diode cathode terminal. Okay, and connect a transformer 9 volt terminal in first diode anode terminal. Okay, and first for safety purpose we connect a sleeve. Okay, so sleeve connect in 9 volt transformer terminal. Okay, and second wire also 9 volt supply connect here. So both 9 volt supply connect in this diode anode terminal. Okay, so soldering properly and we will get output DC output 10 volt in diode output terminal. Okay, you can see here first soldering, and diode output terminal we will get 10 volt DC supply for charging battery. Okay, so first we soldering here and also connect the sleeve for protection short circuit. Okay, so we connect both diode and transformer 9 volt terminal. Okay, and here we will get DC output terminal of 10 volt. Okay, so we connect connector here and transformer 0 volt terminal connect other connector. Okay, so in both connector we will get DC supply 10 volt for charging battery. For battery we will connect 2 connector here and connect this connector. Okay, for battery charging system first we connected 2 wires for battery charging system. Okay, so we connect positive wire first and will connect other wire which is for 0 volt or negative volt and soldering properly. Okay, now see how to connect this battery terminal. First soldering properly. Okay, now battery positive terminal will connect diode output terminal. Okay, where 10 volt DC supply comes for battery charging. So we connect one connector for battery positive terminal and battery negative terminal connect here in this terminal. So now when we provide 220 volt DC supply, our battery will charge with 10 volt DC. Now for run load our bulb is for 12 volt DC. So for run bulb, we connect one connector from battery positive terminal and connect in switch. Okay, so we connect one connector in battery positive terminal. This connector will connect in switch, by which we can start and stop our bulb. So positive wire come in this switch. Okay, when switch will on, so your bulb should run. So we connect one positive wire here and bulb positive wire connect in switch output terminal. When switch will on, so your bulb will start and connect negative or 0 volt in this. You can see here in this connector for 0 volt. Now our bulb connection is also done. Now battery connection is also done. For indication, we need to connect one indicator which indicate our 220 volt supply come and battery is in charging condition. So for indicator, we connect one LED light. You can see here in LED light positive terminal, we connect one resistor for voltage dropping. Now let's see how we'll connect this LED indicator. So positive of this LED indicator will connect any of the diode input terminal. Once more time, connect LED positive terminal, connect in diode input terminal. Okay, so here in diode input terminal, we will get 10 volt DC supply. Okay, so positive connect here. Here we will get 10 volt AC supply in diode input terminal. Okay, and LED light negative or 0 volt connect in input terminal, negative terminal, which is transformer output. Now LED indicator is connection now done. Now you can connect a bulb here easily, which should be DC bulb. Okay, we have this type of bulb, so we connect bulb connector and LED bulb. You can see here in connectors. Okay, when you start button is pressed, so your bulb will start. And if you want to stop this light, so you can stop easily. You can see here. So you can start and stop your emergency light by pressing this switch. Now let's see charging indicator working. When you connect a charging plug here, so you can see here charging LED indicator is blinking. We show charging supplies comes here and battery is in charging condition. Okay, so when battery will charge, so LED indicator will blink. Okay, when charging is stop, so your indicator will stop. Okay, see one more time. When charging is connected, so LED indicator will blink. When charging is stop, so LED indicator will stop. Okay, and also if you want to start your emergency light, so you can start by this switch, and want to stop, so you can stop very easily. So by this simple mechanism, you can make chargeable emergency light at home at lowest price. Okay, first see battery voltage. You can see here we connect a clamped meter in DC voltage range. You can see here battery voltage is 13 volt. When your battery is discharged, so voltage will down. When your battery is in full charging condition, so it will show 13 or 12 volt. Okay, hope you clear the concept of how to make chargeable emergency light. If you like this video, please press like button. If you have any query, please ask in comments box. For today is enough. We'll meet next video. Thanks for watching.